What are you contemplating, Mookie? All right, Mookie says we got to get her going. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, I do my Ravioli / Lasagna Casserole hack. We go to Blaze Pizza in Calgary, Alberta. And then for Appies with Chappy, I make a Harvey Wallbanger. So come join me and my little dog Mookie for a drink at the bar. We saved you a seat. Right here on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. We got a great episode coming up. I have a top secret hack for lazy man's baked lasagna. It's so easy it will blow your mind, Mookie. That's right. Your mind will be blown, Mookie. Yes, Mookie's very excited about my baked lasagna hack. You tell him, Mookie. And then we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. But coming up first, Mookie and I are a little peckish, so we're going to go out and get a little food. We're going to go to Blaze Pizza. This place is amazing. It's a franchise. They have them everywhere. I think it's based out of California, but we have one right here in Calgary. So, Mookie, are you listening? The concept is it's like a fire roasted brick oven pizza, but the setup is just like a Subway sandwich franchise where you go in, they got like the sneeze guard, and they have like 50 different ingredients, and if you want to build your own pizza, you just point to whatever ingredients you want, just like a Subway sandwich franchise, but it's for pizza. So let's go check it out, Mookie. Good with the cheese. Yeah, good with the cheese. I'll get the pepperoni, smoked ham, and Italian sausage. Aloha. So here we go for my lazy man's lasagna or ravioli casserole. Probably a casserole dish would work best. This is just sort of like a cake tin. And then I just have some fresh ravioli right out of the packet. Not cooked, and you don't want to cook it. That's the point. It's just going to be super easy. We're just going to put the fresh ravioli in uncooked. I have 680 milliliters of passata. Just going to put that in there. And then we're keeping it super easy, so I have some dry garlic flakes, just because it's way easier. And then some red pepper flakes if you like it a little spicy. And then I just have some Italian herbs, dry herbs. All right, then I have a can of tomato juice. My Italian grandfather used this all the time to make his Sunday gravy. If you're not used to the big cans, I'll show you the best way to open it. You need one of these can opener gadgets, and you go 2 holes in the front, and then you turn it around and 1 hole on the exact opposite side, and it lets the air in, and the juice comes out way easier. So we're just going to put that tomato juice in there, and the ravioli is going to cook in it and suck up all that gorgeous juice. And then I'm going to put some foil on it, get it in the oven at 350 for an hour. And then once that juice is all sucked into that ravioli and the ravioli's cooked, I'll take the foil off the top. I'll put some provolone and Parmesan cheese on the top, and then I'll broil it until it's crispy and golden. And then we'll have the easiest baked ravioli you've ever had, and it's going to be delicious. Trust me.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I got my prosciutto wrapped watermelon, and we need a beverage to go with that. So I'm going to make a Harvey Wallbanger. So I got a glass full of ice here. According to my bartender's guide, it calls for 1 1/2 ounce of vodka, 4 ounces of OJ, and 1 ounce of Galliano. It's actually made in Livorno, Italy, where I used to go on my cruise ships. All right, so that's a Harvey Wallbanger and my prosciutto wrapped melons. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie. What, you got something to say, Mookie? Mookie says, life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.